Welcome to Debbie Puzzles. Today I'm going to be starting on my new jigsaw. It's a puzzle I ordered online and the jigsaw is called Wishing Tree. It's a 500 piece and today I'm going to be trying out my new boards. Instead of using sorting trays, I'm going to be sorting into piles on the board as it's plenty big, and this is only a 500 piece puzzle, so it should work quite well. Let's get started. Well, I finally completed the jigsaw and I absolutely loved it. However, it was much more difficult than I was expecting. And the reasons for that? Well, number one is the large blocks of colour. They had so little detail in it, it made it really difficult to do. Number two, the pieces were quite unusually shaped and it was really difficult to tell which way up they went. Number three were the images. The box contained a fold-out piece of paper with a very large image on that was actually the same size as the jigsaw, and so it was difficult to use as it covered up too much of the jigsaw when I was trying to use it. The jigsaw was actually so hard it took me nearly 3 hours to complete. And the things I loved about it? Well, when I opened the jigsaw pieces were in a sealed plastic bag, and when I tipped them out onto my work surface, there was absolutely no dust, so it was lovely to have that clean workspace. You may have noticed that I completed the jigsaw from bottom to top, and I really enjoyed seeing the tree come into life. Would I do this jigsaw again? Yes, I definitely would. I thought it was great value at just £6.99 from Amazon. And I've actually bought a 1,000-piece jigsaw of the same make, which will be my next project. It was also my first time using the whiteboard, and I absolutely loved it. You could easily sort out the colours and turn them all over and spread them out and see all the pieces, which made it much easier. I would definitely continue doing this going forward. How it will work for bigger jigsaws, I'm not sure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.